everyone, my name is Shambhavi and welcome to my video on Data Science and Business Analytics Task 4 offered by Sparks Foundation. In this task, we're gonna do exploratory data analysis on terrorism. This is we're gonna perform EDA on data set of global terrorism and try to find out the hot zone of terrorism. So we have first imported drive. This is being done to get the data sets which are kept in my drive. This is being saved in my drive. So after that we have to install all the necessary libraries required for this task. This is NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. After that we have read and imported the CSV file in the raw DF variable and have got the information about the raw DF variable using .info method. Now we're gonna get info about the dataset in the given below codes. This is it consists of information on more than 181,691 terrorist attacks. Second, it includes information about terrorists around the world from 1970 to 2017. And third, it includes symmetric data about domestic as well as international terrorist incidents that have occurred during specific period. So using the dot shape method, we get the number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows depicts the number of terrorist attacks which have taken up. And using the dot head method, we have got the first year. This is from 1970, and using the dot tail method, we got the last year of the terrorist attack in this dataset which has taken up. So after this, data preparation and cleaning is being done. So first we have checked if there is a null value in our data set. So we have used is null.sum to get the number of null value in our data set. After that we have copied our data set in a new data frame which is df. After that we have dropped all the unnecessary data columns which were not required. After dropping the data columns, we want to get the list of column names of the dataset. So we have used this method. After that, getting the column names of our dataset, we have renamed some of the columns which were necessary for our data preparation. So we have changed I year to year, I month to month, I day to day, country text to country, region to region, and so on. After that, we have got the new data set with year, month, day, country, region, attack type. And here casualty is being made using the killed and plus the wounded people. After that, we have to do the basic analysis about our dataset. This is how the country with the highest terrorist attack is Iraq, region with the highest terrorist attack is Iraq, and weapon type with the highest terrorist attack is also Iraq. Maximum people killed in the attack is 170 people. So we have performed this basic analysis. After that, we have got the count plot of the number of terrorist activities each year take place. So this is the graph which we have obtained. After that, we have got the attacking method used during the terrorist attacks. So we can see that most of the attacking method is bombing and explosion. Here is my code for that graph. So after that we have got the who are the target of the terrorist attack. So we have plotted out the count plot to get this. So we can see that private citizen and properties are the maximum thing that we got uh, as the target of the terrorist attack. After that we have got the hot zone of the terrorist attacks. As you can see that Middle East and North Africa has the highest zone for terrorist attacks. So number of terrorist activity by region graph is being plotted. After that we have plotted the terrorism by country graph. So, the top affected countries are Iraq, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and India. After that, we have find out the attack versus killed graph. This is Iraq has the most attack and the most killed people. This is being done using the plot method. After that, we have find out the most notorious group of the terrorist attacks. So, terrorist group with the highest terrorist attack is Taliban. After that, we have Islamic States of Iraq and Shining Path. After this, we have to get the activities of the top terrorist group. So, this is the graph which we have plotted out on the top terrorist groups which have the most activity. So, we can see that AL Shabaab has the most terrorist activities in the year after 2010. After that, we have got the most notorious group in India and the favorite attack types. So, we have got the horizontal bar plot of each type. After that, we can see that the top terrorist group are mostly from Communist Party of India, and the favorite attacking type is bombing and explosion. After this, we have got a new data frame of group country versus killed. So this is the new data frame to get a brief overview about the country group with the country and the number of people killed. After that, we get to the conclusion and result from doing all the EDA that the country with the highest terrorist attack is Iraq and the region of highest terrorist attack is Iraq, while the maximum people killed in attack is 157 and Taiwan terrorist group with the highest terror attack, while top terrorist group is Maoist and favorite attacking type of the terrorist attack is bombing and explosion. Hot zone of terrorism is in Middle East and South Africa region.